Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will develop a C program that will print only even numbers from the array. To do so, in the VS Code, I am creating a C program named even numbers array.c. And in the header file, I am including stdio.h to use the printf statement. Then I am creating the main function of the program, and within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring an integer variable I and then an integer array numbers for the size 7. And then I am assigning 7 random numbers to the array numbers. After that, I am creating a for loop which will run from I equal to 0 to I equal to 6. Within this for loop, I am adding if condition which will check number from the array index is even number or not. I believe we already know how to check a number is even number or not. And if the condition is satisfied, within the if condition, I am adding a printf statement to display a specific number from that array index. And finally, at the end of the main function, I am adding return 0 to close the program. Let's save this program, and to compile it, I am opening the VS Code terminal window by pressing Ctrl J, and I am typing gcc space even numbers array.c and then pressing enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, I am typing /a.exe. And from the output you can see the numbers 4, 2, 8 and 10 are displayed from the array, which are all the even numbers. And the odd numbers 3, 7 and 9 got ignored. And let's see how this happened using a visualizer application. While the program executing from the main function, it will allocate the memory location for the variable I and the array numbers. And you can see 7 memory locations 0 to 6 was allocated for numbers array. And after executing the line number 2, you can see the values given for the array got stored inside its memory location. And then the loop starts with the value I equal to 0. And then in the if condition, the value from the array index 0 will be taken, which is 3. And the condition checks it is even number or not. The condition will be failed and the loop will start its next iteration with the value I equal to 1. Now the value from the array in the 1th position is 4, and within the loop the if condition will check it is even number or not. It is even number, so the 4 will be printed in the output. And then the loop will start its next iteration with I equal to 2. Now the value in the 2nd position of array is 7, which is not the even number. So the if condition will be failed and the loop will start its next iteration with the value I equal to 3. Now the value in the 3rd position of the array is 2, which is an even number. So the condition satisfies and it will print it in the output. And then the loop will start its next iteration with the value I equal to 4. Now the value in the array index 4 is 8, which is even number, and it will be printed in the output. And then the loop will start its iteration with the value 5. And the value in the 5th position is 9, which is not the even number, and it will not be printed. And then the loop will start its final iteration with the value I equal to 6. Value in the 6th position is 10, which is even number, and it will be printed in the output. And finally, when the value of I becomes 7, the condition for the loop failed and the loop execution will be stopped, and it will come to the line number 10, return 0 and stops the program. This is how the program executed to display only even numbers from the array. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.